Today's video is very special. I have brought easy and useful English sentences for you. You can use these sentences in your daily life. This video is perfect for those who want to learn spoken English or improve their speaking skills. Watch the video till the end. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Where are you going? Where are you going? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Please close the door. Please close the door. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Hurry up. Hurry up. Do you need help? Do you need help? Be quiet. Be quiet. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Do your studies. Do your studies. The food is ready. The food is ready. Make the bed. Make the bed. Drink water. Drink water. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Switch off the lamp. Switch off the lamp. Clean the room. Clean the room. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. Where were you? Where were you? Bring the book. Bring the book. Open the window. Open the window. Close the window. Close the window. Give this to me. Give this to me. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Arrange your things. Arrange your things. Why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? Wake up. Wake up. Give me some more rice. Give me some more rice. Don't eat this. Don't eat this. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. Take an umbrella. Take an umbrella. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. I am tired. I am tired. I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat. How long will it take? How long will it take? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. Do this work. Do this work. Wait for me. Wait for me. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. I am leaving. I am leaving. Don't keep your things here. Don't keep your things here. Give me more water. Give me more water. Did you wash the dishes? Did you wash the dishes? Put away your toys. Put away your toys. Is anyone else at home? Is anyone else at home? How was your day? How was your day? Go to sleep. Go to sleep. I love you. I love you. I'm busy. I am busy. Where is your book? Where is your book? I am going outside. I am going outside. Are you at home? Are you at home? Please don't call me. Please don't call me. Are you okay? Are you okay? Give me some time. Give me some time. You are very beautiful. You are very beautiful. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Did you take a shower? Did you take a shower? I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Fix your shoes. Fix your shoes. Put the phone on charge. Put the phone on charge. Unplug the phone from charge. Unplug the phone from charge. Come with me. Come with me. Call your brother. Call your brother. Do you know? Do you know? I don't know. I don't know. It's true. It's true. It's false. It's false. It will take more time. It will take more time. Where is your mother? Where is your mother? Do you like this? Do you like this? I like this. I like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Are you ready? Are you ready? I am ready. I am ready. Keep it here. Keep it here. Remove this. Remove this. Bring me some water. Bring me some water. Whose thing is this? Whose thing is this? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Are you going out? Are you going out? Have you finished the work? Have you finished the work? I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Forgive me. Forgive me. Are you happy? Are you happy? I am very happy. I am very happy. I am sorry. I am sorry. Did you understand? Did you understand? I don't understand. I don't understand. Please help me. Please help me. This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. Are you sure? Are you sure? Best of luck to you. Best of luck to you. Where is your book? Where is your book? Lower the TV volume. Lower the TV volume. Clean your room. Clean your room. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. The food is ready. The food is ready. Set the table. Set the table. Keep it here. Keep it here. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. I will be back in a while. I will be back in a while. I hope this video will help you with your daily conversations. Keep practicing because regular practice makes learning English easy. If you like this video, please like it and comment on which topic you want in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep practicing. Bye bye.